everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm Ipsy unboxing for, October 2023. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So when you first open it up, you'll get this little magazine thing right here, which will tell you a little bit about some of the products. You can see right there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in the trash. So the first thing that I got in the box is this right here, and this is a Huda Beauty lip contour in 2.0, and the color is pinky brown. I do like really nice nude lip colors. I think they're perfect. So this is what it looks like. Go ahead and see that shade. Yes, that's like a really pretty shade. Let me see if I can't. I already have lipstick on. Just try to deepen up these sides. So it's kind of like the color that I already wear. So perfect because I will be using this. So that's the first thing. The next thing that I got in the box is this right here. And this is by TYS Beauty. And it is a cheek treat. Let's go ahead and check this out. I like the packaging. And it's supposed to be, I think, for cheeks or lips. So that's the color. Ooh, it's gonna slide off. That's actually a really pretty color. Put in a little bit on my lips. I think my lips look so much better since I started this video. Definitely very cute. And then let's just put a little bit. I already got blush on. Just add a little more color through here. Definitely like this, and I will be wearing this. The color is in Juice Liquid Blush is what it says. So that's the second thing that I got. Third thing is this right here. What is this? This is a Authentic Glaze Liquid Highlight. And I actually didn't put any highlight on today, so we'll have to try this out. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of this on. So I'm just gonna put like a couple dots right there. Right there, and I'm going to blend it in with another finger. So it does look like it definitely is a highlight. It's not blending in too well. I should have put this on a sponge and then blend it in. Let me go ahead and get this side before it starts drying, since it seems to be drying pretty quick. So that's what it looks like. It actually has a really nice glow. Let me go ahead and show you on my hand. I'm going to put it right here on the side. I'm going to show you. So you do want to work fast with this product, and I would recommend probably putting on a blush because it gets it seems like it dries pretty quick. So as you can see, it's actually quite pretty. You can mix this in with your foundation too if you really want like a glowy look. I am super oily, so I don't want any more glow than I already have. I usually don't even wear highlight because I have so much glow. Next thing that's in the box is this right here, and this is a serum. Clearly AHA LHA resurfacing serum. It is by that brand right there. I'm probably not going to open this one up because I'm already using serums, but that's what it looks like. I love the packaging to this. Really matches my room. Let me go ahead and see if it has any smell or anything. Okay, it has a slight, just like a clean smell, not like really a defined smell, just kind of smells refreshing. So I will be using this, but not now. And the last thing that's inside the box is this right here, and it is by Ofra, and it is the Mammy Palette Mini Mix Face Palette. And that's all the shades that come in it. So it has a blush, highlighter, bronzer, highlighter, and blush. So it's a blush and bronzer. So I will be using all of this, just not today because I do already have highlight, blush, bronze, or everything on. So I do not need this right now, but I will be using this in another video. So the total value of the variation that I received was $187, which is absolutely awesome. I will definitely be using everything that I received in this box. Not every month is like that. There's some months that I don't like stuff and I just gift it to other people, but I will be keeping everything in this box. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.